So dear children, welcome to the session. The lesson we are going to discuss, that is chemical reaction and its equation. So last class we discussed about the decomposition reaction. So actually the chemical reactions are classified as mainly four types. So what are that? Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. The combination reaction means the two elements or compounds which combine together to form a new product is known as combination reaction. And next is decomposition reaction. So the decomposition reaction means a single reactant will decompose. It will split up into two or more product is known as decomposition reaction. And in this session we will discuss about the displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. First we will discuss the displacement reaction. First we will discuss the analogy. So here you can see the dancer, his name is Brad and Jennifer. So both are very good dancer. So Brad and Jennifer are a good dancer. And one more dancer is there. Her name is Angelina. The instructor is trying to change the path. So instead of Jennifer, the Angelina will displace here. So here the Brad and Angelina is the pair to dance for the future. And Jennifer, so instead of Jennifer, so Angelina will be paired with the Brad and Jennifer, she is alone. So this is known as the analogy. So the analogy means the displacement will be taking place here. So instead of Jennifer, the Angelina will displace here. Because the Brad and Angelina are good dancer compare with Jennifer. So that's why they will displace them. The same, we will see the general form of the displacement chemical reaction. So here you consider a compound here. So AB is a compound. We compare with them, Brad and Jennifer. So both are AB plus C. So C is Angelina. The C, Angelina, is good dancer when we compare with the Jennifer. So that's why they will replace them. They will replace, instead of Jennifer, they will replace Angelina. So with that, it will forms the product that is AC plus B. So the definition for displacement reaction is the reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound is called displacement reaction. So you can see here, so AB is a compound. So in that the element B is less reactive when compared with C. So they will displace them. The more reactive is C. C element is more reactive and B is less reactive. So the AB will be changed to AC because the C element is more reactive when compared with B. That's why the AB compound is converted to AC, because the B element is less reactive and C element is more reactive. Here displacement will be taking place. So instead of B, the C will displace here because the C is more reactive. So before going to that example, first we will see the reactivity series. This reactivity series is very important. So with that only we have to know that how the elements having more reactivity. This is the series. So this series you have to remember it. It is very important. How we can remember? It's very easy. There is a mnemonic to by heart the reactivity series. You just follow this and practice it regularly, means you can easily remember the reactivity series. It's very easy only. We will see one by one. The first, you have to by heart the mnemonic first. Please stop calling me a cute zebra. So please stop calling me a cute zebra. I like her. Call smart goat. So this is the mnemonic word. So this word you have to by heart it. What is the statement? Please stop calling me a cute zebra. I like her. Call smart goat. So please stop calling me a cute zebra. I like her. Call smart goat. So this is the mnemonic statement you have to remember it. So please indicates potassium. Potassium is more reactive. Please indicates potassium and stop indicates sodium and calling indicates calcium and me indicates magnesium and A indicates aluminium and Cu indicates carbon. Here calling indicates Cal, calcium. You can easily remember it. So calling calcium. So here cute means carbon. You remember that alphabetical order first. So first Cal means calcium and Cu. Remember Cu means carbon. So carbon Ca. A is the alphabetical order first letter. So you can remember it. So cute, that is carbon. And next is zebra. So zebra, zinc. And iron. And like, lead. And her, hydrogen. And copper. First Cu, that is cute, that indicates carbon. And next is C, that is that indicates copper. You remember that? So carbon, Ca, alphabetical first letter. So here Co, copper, that is the copper symbol is Cu. So like that you can remember it. And next is smart. So smart, silver. And next goat, gold. From that you can easily remember the reactivity elements. If you remember this, means from this order they will ask some questions whether the reaction is possible or not through displacement reaction. For that you have to know the reactivity series. If you know the reactivity series, means you can easily answer for that type of question. That is, please stop calling me a cute zebra. I like her. Call smart goat. First, remember the mnemonic statements and next go for the elements. It's very easy. If you by heart this means you can easily answer these types of questions, that is regarding the displacement reaction questions. Next, we will see the examples. The first example is iron plus copper sulfate gives iron 2 sulfate plus copper. So what is the symbol for iron, children? Fe. And what is the symbol for copper sulfate? CuSO4. It gives iron sulfate, that is iron 2 sulfate plus copper. You can see here iron. So iron is more reactive. So you can see here iron is more reactive when you compare with copper. So here the element is Fe, that is iron, and here it is a compound, that is copper sulfate. So here the A is copper and B is sulfate. So here the A, that is copper, is less reactive. Iron is more reactive. The copper will displace as iron 2 sulfate because the copper is less reactive, iron is more reactive. So what is the product here? It will be obtained. The copper sulfate is converted to iron sulfate, that is FeSO4. And the copper is less reactive. It will remove as one element. So this is the displacement reaction. So displacement reaction means what? So there is two reactant are there. In the two reactant, one of the reactant is a compound. So in that compound, the element is less reactive. It will displace the element with more reactive element to form a new product is known as displacement reaction. And next example is zinc plus copper sulfate gives zinc sulfate plus copper. The formula for zinc is Zn and formula for copper sulfate is CuSO4 and formula for zinc sulfate is ZnSO4 and formula for copper is Cu. So here you can see zinc, here copper. So copper is less reactive. So the zinc is more reactive. So in that the copper sulfate, it will change to zinc sulfate. The zinc is displaced and it will form a new product, that is zinc sulfate, because copper is less reactive. The copper is displaced as zinc. It will form the product as zinc sulfate. So this is the reaction. Okay students, see you on next session. Thank you.